Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Marina, and today's video I filmed a power hour, and I'm sorry about the lighting because it's actually much later in the day, but today's video is in collaboration with Coffee with My Sunshine. She has an amazing channel. She has a bunch of cleaning videos, organization, grocery hauls, and shop with me's. She will also be filming a power hour, so I will leave her video linked down below. And here is a little clip from her video and what her channel is about.
Hey guys, if you're interested in seeing some cleaning motivation, recipes, occasional product reviews, a DIY every Monday, and a little bit of home decor shopping inspiration, weekly grocery hauls, meal plans, and our kitchen renovation videos, then head on over to my channel, Coffee with My Sunshine, after you enjoy watching Marina's video.
So I hope you head over to her channel after you're done watching my video, and let's get this video started. So I am starting off in our bedroom. I am just going to take the sheets off so I can wash them, and I'm just going to move my blankets to the side because I recently washed these a couple days ago. I try to wash my sheets at least once a week and my blankets at least once every 2 weeks, and that's only because we have a little doggy.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't want to waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow.
Now I will clean under my bed. I have not done this since we moved in, so it was definitely time. And my sister-in-law was at my house for breakfast, so I got her to help me lift the bed. And as you can see, we were struggling. And the girls had fun jumping on the bed, and of course Cheryl came along and joined the party, but it did not end well. I cannot believe all this was under my bed, but I really do believe Cheryl takes some stuff under there. Heading into the kitchen, I am going to dry the dishes I hand washed this morning and put them away.
Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And
And here is my husband making himself some lunch. I do have a video of my kitchen organization. I will leave that linked above and down below for you.
I won't make it easy for you now.
And now I'm going to clear off the table except the pink tub because my daughter and niece are making some Orbeez.
And I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh.
So I promise I did not spray my daughter with my multi-purpose spray. It just looks like it on camera. But this is a natural cleaner, so it would have been fine. And this is the Mrs. Meyer's honeysuckle scent. I will leave the link down below if you are interested.
Wait till the dawn.
And now I am heading into the living room. I am just tidying up a little, and as my sister-in-law takes 100 pictures of herself.
I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
I got this clock for my in-laws and I can't wait to put it up. I will definitely do a home tour as soon as I can. I just want to get a couple more pieces because right now it looks a little bare.
Need me, so you stop playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. Just watch me break it. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn.
Scratch that. I think this makes it 200 pictures.
Make you sweat on me.
The girls did so good. They were waiting so patiently because after I was done cleaning, they knew we were gonna go get some ice cream.
I'm losing every battle. Can somebody save me? Save me. I never know which way I'm supposed to.
I am taking out a load from the dryer, then I will start my sheets.
I feel just like a ghost that you walk right through. I feel like a shadow. I just wanna know, am I insane? Insane. I just wanna know, am I insane? Insane. I never know which way I'm supposed to go. All I do is stare out the window. I just wanna know, am I insane? I sit in silence.
So this is where my camera died, but basically all I did was add my detergent and start the load, and perfect timing because I was out of time. So I basically got everything done except fold laundry, but that's okay. I got that done a little later that night.
I feel like a shadow.
And I wanted to give you a little look-see of what the house looks like. The sheets are in the wash, and those are my blankets. I just have them on the corner until they're done. And that pile right there is donations. I will try to get that done soon. There is my daughter and my niece. They were so excited about the Orbeez. Don't mind these two. They're just waiting to go get some ice cream. But yeah, everything came out pretty nice. I wish I would have got a little more done, but that's okay. A little tidy up is okay every now and then.
I sit in silence.
That's just some recycle hanging up there, and I have 2 sticks of butter out because we were gonna make some chocolate chip cookies later. And there's my dead camera. And that pot right there is actually my arroz con leche. I have that video up, and those are some shirts my husband will put away because he doesn't dry his. And that is everything I have for you. Please go check out Coffee with My Sunshine. I know you will love her video, and let her know that I sent you over. Thank you. Bye.